of Dr. Surbhi Dwivedi. It gives me a great pleasure to invite Surbhi ma'am because she is an alumni of Charusat University and she has done her MTech from Communication System from VT Patel Department of Electronics and Communication. She completed her PhD from SVNIT in November 2016. She is right now an online coach and she has also served as an assistant professor at BITS Education Campus. He has also worked in ISRO Response Scheme and did MTech in Communication System Engineering from Charusat University. Her total teaching experience is around 10 years in various engineering colleges of Gujarat. She got selected as one of the International Biographic Center Top 100 Scientists in 2015 and nominated and included in Marquis Who's Who in the World 2014. He has also received international travel grant from SVNIT to participate in Meta 14 that was organized in Singapore. He is an official reviewer of IEEE Communication Magazine and reviewed many SCI index journals till date. A lifetime member of IET and organized an IEEE and TIP sponsored workshop at SVNIT. She has published more than 40 conference papers and journals, 4 books, and filed a patent. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome Surbhi ma'am. Now, ma'am, over to you. I think most of the participants has joined.
Okay,
Thank
thank you,
you.
sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for the introduction. So can I start my presentation and the topic?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Okay, thank you. Please let me know if you can see the slides. The slideshow is visible at your end. The first slide, please let me know.
Yes, it's visible.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Okay, so before starting this topic, I can hear some echoes in the background.
So
Yes.
please, all I request you to mute yourself. Yes,
Okay.
Surbhi.
Okay, as informed, the audience is from BTech Electronics and Communication branch. So before starting my topic, I would request you all to sit with a pen and a paper because we are going to have this interactive session. This is not a one-way lecture delivery. So in this session, I will be sharing few of my personal experiences which can be helpful for young audience like you. So, as it is famously said that this life is not enough to learn everything from our own mistakes. We should learn something from others' mistakes as well. So, let us, with this note, I'm going to start the topic of mine that is digital detox and its importance in the era of COVID-19. So as the engineers which are sitting in front of me virtually are from the background of electronics and communication engineering. So let us start with the analog system and digital system. Analog system is divided into continuous wave, pulse wave modulations. And if you think we are going to discuss these things again, which are given in the book also, then you are mistaken, my dear friends. We are going to discuss in this lecture something which is very practical and which is not in the books but will be shared from the books of experiences. So some of mine and some of yours together will compile a new lesson after the session. So let us start the session and coming to the most interesting field of interest of the young generation, that is digital gadgets. Yes, in your room, if you are sitting right now, you are surrounded with many digital gadgets. Can you name them? Any one of the participant, if you can unmute yourself and can name the gadgets, the digital gadgets with which you are surrounded with. Or at
Smartwatch, smartphone.
yes, very good. And what else? I can name. Yeah, thank you for your feedback. Thank you. Let me tell you, in my, I think the digital gadget slide is visible at your end. Please give me the feedback. The slide of digital gadget is visible at the audience end. Please give the feedback.
Yes. It's visible.
Okay, so let me tell you, there are many digital gadgets like Kindle, digital watches, minimum 2 3 mobiles in a room, in a family of 2 3. In a family of two, we have minimum 3 to 4 phones among us. Digital photo frames, digital projector screens, laptops, tablets, TVs, VR boxes, oximeters nowadays, considering COVID era, multimeters, calculators, TDS meters, MI fitness bands, video games for young crowd. Yeah, so these are the various digital gadgets with which we are surrounded with. So these are the gadgets which are there in a single room, and we are surrounded with these many. If you will number them, it will be more than 10. So now my question is, these gadgets are no doubt very helpful for us for many reasons, but some of them are playing with us as a technology traps. So I will name them as digital distractions. Yes, as we all know, the young crowd is now associated with a number of social networking sites, including Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook. Thankfully, TikTok is banned. Now, can I ask how often you visit them? You can write even in chat windows your comments. How often you visit your social networking sites in a day? And you must be addictive by now with Google and YouTube series, video series. As we being the EC engineer, this artificial intelligence is adopting our technology and using it to dupe electronics and communication engineer as well. So in short, this is duping us as it is duping the young crowd of today's generation. So what it does, what artificial intelligence does, it will the one you once you will try to search or shop any of the product online, all your social accounts will be flooded with the offers associated with that specific product unless and until you'll buy them by the end of reading and viewing all the deals that they will display you. So these are the things which are nowadays adopted by Google and YouTube series and many of the search engines as well. So there are various addictive video games as well. In news, one very famous detoxing period was in news recently, and that was 90 days detox. This was regarding the video games addiction and to get away from it. So let us now discuss, and I would like to ask you all, what's your screen time in a day? As for now, I will be only covering screen time as the digital engage time. In later phase of this seminar, you'll get to know that screen time is not the only thing that will affect us. There are many other factors as well. But right now, very basic and straightforward question. Anyone can unmute and can share what's your screen time in a day, in hours. Or if you have in minutes, that's well and good.
8 hours.
8 hours. I hope that the terminology screen time is very much clear at your end. It's a time that we spend looking at the screen. And it can be the screen of a TV, it can be the screen of your tablets, of your MacBooks, of your tablets, any of your digital watch even. So these are the different screens I am talking about. So yes, as one of the participant has reverted back and he informed that he had spent around 8 hours of a day using screen. So let us now go for some quick, as I told you in the beginning, you should sit with a pen and a paper. I'm going to share a link with you all and will be giving you hardly 10 to 15 minutes to do this interactive activity. This activity will be all about your knowledge. This is about you. So I think you will not cheat me and you'll not cheat yourself as well. So I'm sharing this link with you, and I hope that you will come up with the right score. So by the end of this session, by the end of this activity, you will tell me your score. So I'm sharing this link with you. I'm sharing the chat window. Please, all of you are requested to see the link in the chat window and just press this link. And with this link, you will be, yeah, I'm stopping my share right now. For time being, I'm stopping the screen share, and you are requested to go through this link and just do this small activity of 10 minutes. And what I want is the score. You should come up with your score, and then we will discuss the rest part of the seminar in next 10 minutes. So next 10 minutes is all yours. You should sit with a paper or pen or pencil. You just have to write your scores and solve these questions. If you want, I can present these questions as well on the board. I hope this is visible. These questions are visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is.
Okay, so please do it. Even I did it, and I am proud enough, and I'm bold enough to share my score also with you people, because nobody is an expert of detoxing. So we all will share each other's score, and then we'll come up with some conclusions. Please do it. Yes, sir. So should I open my presentation? Stop sharing this question session. You are doing it right now with the help of the link. Should I share the link as one of the participant has just messaged? Can you zoom presentation? Okay, Hitesh sir, should I zoom presentation right now?
No, ma'am. Let everyone finish, then we can go for presentation.
Please click this link, and I'm presenting my screen that is of the question session, and I have given the link also. You just have to click it and solve the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Surbi, your screen is not visible right now.
Yes, sir. I have stopped the presentation because the link is shared. That's why I have stopped the presentation. Should I share it again?
Okay,
That
okay,
is why I
okay.
have
Thank you.
stopped the presentation, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, okay. Where is you?
There are total 29 questions, and I just want the total score. Has anybody completed?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
112.
Okay. Okay, so I think 2-3 people have completed. And yes, those who have completed can share their score in the chat window so that we can get to know how many have completed. Okay. So this Chirag Kahar, I share my score with you. My score is also 72. So I'm sharing my score with you, Chirag Kahar.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this 41? Harsh Panchal. Harsh Panchal, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your score is 41.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is like very clear, and we will not cheat because this is the cheating for ourselves only. Yeah, yeah. So
Yes,
that
yes,
is
ma'am.
true. So it's
This
41. You
is
need a round of applause. Yeah, great.
actually, ma'am, this is the improvement. After many times I was using a phone more recently. I have made my improvement to myself.
Very good, Harsh. Very good. We'll discuss this thing also, Harsh. We'll come back to you soon.
Okay, ma'am.
As I can read, 150, 89, 96, all are realistic scores, very good. All had done it very virtually and very faithfully. So because these things we cannot teach us, these things are cannot be taught. We have to learn it through experiences. Wait, we'll discuss the
You
next part. In the few had scored 68, one not two. So let the people keep
you
doing.
very well know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you very well know. Surbi, our students are very honest. Charu se students, as you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, who? Sir, who? You're talking about?
Charu set students always. Charu set students always very honest. You know.
Correct, sir. I agree. I can't agree more.
Yes. Yes.
So they are honest. That's why I'm getting such high scores from almost many of them. And as Harsh had practiced something, so he will discuss his experience in the next session. But Harsh, I'll come back to you also. And rest all are doing it a fantastic job today you have done. See, before taking a medicine, we should know that we are ill. So then only we will consume it with will practice the situations, and I am going to tell you few tips and few technology that is helping us to divert our attention from these gadgets. So this we will discuss in the subsequent session. But okay, you all are doing it fine, and let us now ask. You all have shared very good, but is there anybody from the audience who has scored less than 30? I want to know the one who has scored less than 30. As I can see,
कोई नहीं है ऐसा.
कोई नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं. 30 से कम कोई नहीं है. This is the realistic fact कि हम में से कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो 30 से कम है. Because few points are कि वो तो हम सब करते ही हैं. I will tell you कि what has made my score high. I will let you know. 30 plus, I mean to say 30 to 60 are few. 30 to 60 are few. As I can see, from 30 to 60, I can find only Harsh. 30 से 60 के बीच में I can, from the chat window, I can find only Harsh. And we will going to discuss the things with Harsh also. So, Harsh, you are sober and almost a teetotal. If you know the meaning of teetotal, it means कि अभी आप नशे में हो. आपको उसकी लत नहीं लगी है, मगर आप फिर भी नशे में हो. So, as we all know, 30 to 60 score is also considered as sober. The next score is 60 to 100. If you are from 60 to 100 score, you are totally into the addiction and you are termed as disorderly. You are suffering from this disorder of using the electronic gadgets more than the normal people should use. And if you are more than 100, then it is a critical situation. From the researcher who had done this research, he had used the terminology that you are passed out drunk on data. So this drunk phase is associated with data drinking. So if you are more than 100, you have to now make some lifestyle changes in your daily routine, and that will going to help all of us together. I'm going to share my score. My score is 72 and I scored 20 points in the session. I'm sharing the question, and the question was, how much time did you spend on digital media when you were being paid to work? I'm an online tutor. I was being paid for working online, so I spent more than 1 hour for getting the income. So in that, I scored 20 points shoot up. So that is one of the point where I scored 20 points, and many of the things which I never do, that I will share, and I will also share my negative part so that you will be feeling free to share the same with me. So I will come again to my presentation and I will stop. I have got some good scores from all of you. You have done it right, and I'm happy that you come up with your right scores. So I'm stopping this presentation and going back to my topic, digital detox. Okay, so this slide we have stopped, right? This slide is visible at your end.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is the condition of all of us, including me, including you, including all the members, including Harsh. ठीक है, अभी हर्ष इसमें से कैसे निकला वो we will get to know, but listen, this is something that now we are going to discuss कि how and what is the need. First of all, before starting anything, let us understand what is the meaning of detox. Detox term in itself signifies that there is the presence of toxins. Toxins हैं तभी तो detoxing की जरूरत है. So we all are aware that we are surrounded with these digital gadget toxins. So that is why this digital detox is required. So detox is nothing but the removal of toxic substance from the system, which is termed as detoxification. So now let us understand it in depth. So right now in present era, digital fasting is a very trendy term. Many people are going for digital fasting. The way we are going for detox drinks for our body cleanup, the way we are going for meditation for the soul purification, similarly, we should go for digital detox for mind relaxation. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the survey says there is a shoot up in the rate of your happiness before and after detoxing. The survey was done by one of the committee that was digital detox time to log off in May 2016. They have done it, but right now the scenario is even critical. With the onset of COVID-19, many classes are now online, many apps are now online, many new online facilities are now at boom. So now we are getting more into these digital gadgets phase. So as the survey conducted back in 2016, it was showing that there was a rise in happiness level when you will see yourself before and after detoxing period. Now let us see what the researchers says. So the researchers will always come up with some beautiful figures because they research the topics, they study the topic in depth. So technology can be stressful at times. Digital devices can disrupt your sleep patterns. Heavy device use may be linked to mental health concerns, and constant connectivity affects your work-life balance. The most important point that, according to me, is the last one is the social comparison makes it hard to be content. Being youngsters, आप अपने Facebook profile में देखोगे कि अरे उसके पास तो Royal Enfield है and my father denied it. So see this way the comparison will increase and this will going to pile up with time. Gradually more and more factors will come into your life and you will see and you will compare your life with others' life and these things will be stressful in gradual period of time. So these are the different surveys that are done by researchers in the past. So you should know what are the signs that you need a digital detox. There will always be a sign with which you'll get to know that now I need a digital detox, which is very important to get. A person will go to a medical store only if he'll encounter some of the illnesses. Unless and until he'll be perfectly fine, he'll not go to a medical store. But if you are opting for digital detox, you should first know that you are critically ill, you are towards the illness, or you have just started towards the first phase of the disease. So as by now, my all audience know their score and they know where they stand. So the first sign is you feel anxious or stressed out. If you can't find your phone, ऐसा होता है कई बार आपको phone नहीं मिलता and you'll start freaking out, you'll start shouting. So these are the many categories of things that will happen to you. If any of these are happening to you, please let me know. I will tell you what is my personal experience. You will feel compelled to check your phone every few minutes. The third one, you feel depressed, anxious, or angry after spending time on social media. Fourth, you are preoccupied with the like, comment, or reshare the counts on your social posts. Fifth, you are afraid that you will miss something if you don't keep checking your device. Sixth, you often find yourself staying up late or getting up early to play on your phone any games or any apps you are fond of. you have trouble concentrating on one thing without having to check your phone. Yes, any one or two audience can share their view if any of these are happening with you. Yes, am I audible at your end?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, so nobody wants to share. Nobody wants to share their point. I want to share my point. My point goes with the point number 4. I will re-share the counts on the social post. As I think I will share these things in depth in the experience sharing sessions, but my point is resharing will hardly take a second. I'm very conscious about the screen timings. So I never spend a definite amount of time beyond that on my screen. But according to me, sharing is just a 1 minute task, hardly a 1 second task, I should say, and this will cost me nothing. So this was my take, and I will come to the next slide, which will be the in-depth knowledge, what will happen in the later phases. Now, let us, before coming to my experience sharing session, we should understand what is dopamine. The young crowd must be here about the very much aware about the term dopamine. Yes, anybody can share dopamine. Anybody can. Have you ever heard of the word dopamine fasting or a dopamine fast? See, and yes, I think I am audible.
Yes, but we have not heard this term actually.
Okay, no problem. This is something which will going to explain you the brain and body. That is what is actually happening in brain and body during a digital detox. So dopamine is, as we all are engineers, I think all EC engineers are sitting in front of me. That's why they are unable to answer this biological term. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter. It's a hormone, a chemical that is passed between neurons. Like we pass the handwritten notes between school children. जिस तरह से हम notes एक nerve से दूसरे nerve को हम pass कर रहे हैं, आपको उस तरह से relate करना है. The neighboring neurons will pass these notes through the intricate network in the brain. So it is nothing but a feel-good chemical. So it's a feel-good hormone. हम सबको ये सुन के अच्छा लग रहा है कि dopamine is a feel-good hormone. But now, according to the research, these feel-good chemicals can play havoc in your lifestyle and in your life. So let me tell you, nowadays dopamine fasting is in vogue. Many people are going for dopamine fasting, which is abstaining yourself from the kinds of things you normally enjoy doing. This can include any kind of addictions like taking alcohols, drugs, gaming, going online, all pleasurable eating stuffs that you love to eat, all those eating habits. So dopamine is the hormone which released during all these feel good factors which are involved in your lifestyle. So dopamine fasting is abstaining yourself. Abstaining yourself is obstructing yourself, restricting yourself from these kind of things which are keep giving you the good feel good factors. Now your question may be, what is the need of abstaining or fasting dopamine? It is giving us some good factors, some feel good chemicals. So what's the need of stopping it? The idea is to reset your neurochemical system by de-stimulating it. So as in the youngsters term, I would say mental health, hashtag mental health matters always. It's a time for digital detox. Now I will tell you my personal experience with the dopamine hormone. So this is my in-depth interaction with the crowd. I want the same personal experience sharing from any one or two of you so that we can make this session more interactive and more fruitful. So there is one habit of stories and status postings. So I am sharing my first bad habit of stories and status posting. See, for cure, you should know your weak areas. So I am sharing these weak areas. The first one is stories and status postings. This gives me a dopamine shoot up. So whenever I post a status and whenever I post stories, millions and I would not say millions, but many of the comments keeps on flooding, and this gives me a dopamine shoot. So let me tell you one thing. My life was well settled, everything was going quite fine. I was enjoying every single second. And suddenly, once in my life, I posted a photograph of mine in a yoga posture called Ustrasana. And that day has changed my life. After just sending one status update, and I hardly spent only 1 second in sending it, I was having around 100 of comments and asking for the video how I did that posture. And then after getting the reviews, after reading all those comments, the dopamine hormone shooted up. And I thought कि अरे अभी तो इनको इतना ही पता चला है. Even in the morning I had taken the detox drink also. When they will get to know about my detox drink, they will be even more happy, and I'll get more comments. So next day, my me time got spoiled with the posting sessions of my detox drinks as well. So again, I spoiled my 2 hours of morning me time, and then I posted that detox drinks pictures with the crowd. And this gradually, my smart my smart mind, which was thinking that it's a matter of sharing just 1 second, in just 1 second, I'm just spending 1 second in sharing. So this is not going to hurt or shoot up my screen time. But in short, these are going and having some psychological changes in me. So when I was flooded with comments, many were asking for the stepwise videos. Many were asking how I did it, how I managed my time. So these all things had given a dopamine shoot up, which was good at that time. But gradually, with time, I started experiencing saturation. There was a saturation from my end also, and there was a saturation from the end of audience also, or from the end of my friends also. How long they will keep looking on all those detox drinks or the yoga postures. So this gives a saturation too from both the end. So this is one of the personal experience I would like to share, that this dopamine hormone, which is a feel good hormone, can also play with your regular routine and can destroy your lifestyle. So this was one of the experience sharing with all of you. Similarly, you can also come up with some of the dopamine shoot ups in your lifestyles if it had happened in near future, in near past. Yeah, I'm waiting for any one or two responses from the crowd. I think I was prepared to share my stories, so I have framed it, but you people are not prepared to share your, so you may be a bit hesitant to share your story. Am I right?
Yes, you are.
I would like to share my point.
Thank you. Please tell me your name. As my presentation
Yeah.
is on, I cannot see you.
Yes. My name is Rajat Pandey. I am a faculty at IC department.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ma'am, actually, earlier, whenever I used to use this Facebook, right? So I used to, it was like I used to generally need to see Facebook lot of time. So that was like a dopamine moment for me. So, but actually now I have reduced it. So that was an experience which I wanted to share about dopamine. Means whenever I am free, I will go and enter the Facebook app. So that was a dopamine moment for me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for coming up with your views and your point. Thank you so much for sharing your experience. So this was the dopamine level that we were talking about. Now, quickly moving to the next effects that I had in the past. That is, you must have heard about the term computer vision syndrome. Computer vision syndrome, or a digital eye strain. This is the terminology with which IT people lives with. The person who works in IT companies, these terminologies are known to them. But right in the year 2014, I was encountering some of the blackout sessions. My vision, even now, it's 6 by 6. And that time also my vision, I was not having any spectacles. I was not using any spectacles. I was just using an anti-glare zero power glasses for restraining for protecting my eyes from the computer screen. That is the only thing I was using. No other eyes complication was there at the time when I was pursuing PhD right back in the year 2014. Now, as you all know who have completed their PhD, they must be knowing we always feel, when we pursue PhD, we feel that the computers are slow and we need 4 to 5 computers to process, to simulate, to publish. And there were parallel results, simulations, publications, proposals, research grants, HTTPs, workshops, lectures, all in different computers in front of us. So I was using around 4 to 5 computers, my laptops, my mobiles in front of me right in the year 2014. So this process started with 2000. When this started, it was in the morning from 8 a.m. I used to practice this thing till evening 5 p.m. and sometimes I forgot to blink the eyes. So that has given me this syndrome, that is computer vision syndrome. Sometimes in front of my eyes, there was a complete blackout. Complete blackout means for a fraction of seconds, you'll not be able to see anything in front of your eyes. And this was very annoying. It is actually a eye and vision related problem that resulted from prolonged computer, tablet, e-readers or cell phone use. So this had personally happened to me. So it was a complete blackout time. When I consulted eye specialist, they came up with my numbers that it is completely fine. You are 6/6, your vision is 6/6. Then where's the problem? That was even a serious issue. We were not able to track the problem. Then with various repetitive sessions and testing, I get to know I was in the first phase of computer vision syndrome. It is a syndrome which will on later state can give you a complete blindness. Complete blindness. Computer vision syndrome is the syndrome which can lead you a blind, which can make you blind in future if you'll continue this practice for longer time. And PhD is not a shorter time span. So if I was not aware of this thing, it could had happened to me also. But I was in the first stage and I got to know about this syndrome, and I totally decided that I will not allow myself to sit in front of the computer for longer time. So in every 5 to 10 minutes, I get up, I do some of the exercises, and then I am coming. So these are I'm coming back to you about the exercises and few small sukshma kriya. So I will get back to you for those points as well. But right now you should know that these are the things which had personally happened to me. So I am here to share my experiences, and these can be fatal at your end also, because I may be for few of them who are BTech students, these can be very useful. In future, you will not repeat these mistakes. As in the beginning of the session, I told you, you should learn from others' mistakes as well. Life is too short to learn from your own mistakes. So then I adopted in my lifestyle few sukshma kriya. Sukshma in Hindi is small. ये कहने को small है, but these things are not small. I tell you, sukshma kriya are not small kriyas. Once you will start practicing it, these are having the capabilities of changing you at all, as a whole, as a person, and as an individual. So as such, I was practicing yoga right from when I was in 9th standard. I was doing yoga, but the things which is important is to know and realize its importance. That came after having these many experiences. So Sukshma Kriya is nothing but few chair poses. You should always, when there are long working duration in front of the laptops, you should always know some of the chair poses that you can do. You should be aware of eye, neck, shoulder, spine, flexibility exercises, which are very important in nowadays, in this era. The finger and hand movement is equally important, because with time your fingers will get less fragile. Your fingers will get acquainted, and it will start experiencing some of the hardships. So right sitting, right walking, and right relaxing postures are always important for all of us to practice. So what is the reasons to do a digital detox? It's a necessity of life, and the necessities of life should be given a priority. Can anyone come up with what are the necessities of life? I will tell my, but I should know what is your necessity of life. Everybody necessity is different. So I want to know what is your necessity of life. Yes, somebody unmuted. Yes, I would be happy if I'll get some responses.
Okay, so my necessity actually it is to play outdoors, but right now it is not possible.
To play outdoors?
Like,
Okay. You want to play outdoor games, right? Am I right?
yeah.
That is your necessity. You are terming this thing as necessity. Okay, any other response? Any other response from the audience, please? Any
My
other
necessity is help to others.
necessity is?
Yes, sir. Yes, Rajat sir.
My necessity is money.
Very good, sir. This is actually true.
My,
Money is important. How come we
yes, my,
survive? How come we survive without money? That is true. Next.
my necessity is care of my family member and help to others.
Very good. This is also nice. But are these the necessities? My question is, are these the necessities or our willingness? Okay, no problem. No problem. These are the things that you want to do in your life. Very good. But necessity is roti, kapda, or makan. We should have good food in our plate, a good place to dwell in, and a good pair of clothes to wear on. So these are the roti, kapda, makan is our necessity of life. So my question is, are we compromising any of these three necessities, roti, kapda, or makan? Are we compromising with these three necessities because of this digital world? क्या हमारा डिजिटल वर्ल्ड हमारे रोटी मतलब द टाइम व्हेन वी ईट so digital world is disturbing our roti time or the type of or the digital world in which we live is disturbing the way we are living or the lifestyle we are following. Kapda makan se I would say the lifestyle we are following. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Definitely some.
Yes, definitely
बिकॉज सही कई बार ऐसा देखते हैं लोग खाना या खाते खाते भी टीवी देखते हैं मोबाइल में लगे रहते हैं पबजी अभी इतना आया हुआ है तो यंगस्टर्स को क्या होते हैं पूरे रात पबजी खेलते रहते हैं और कई ऐसे भी आए हुए हैं कि the people used to this chat on this Facebook or WhatsApp over the night and the people again not eat very healthy food.
Actually, sir. So these are the areas of concern where we are talking about building our immunity in the era of having a good health, good lifestyle. Even now, as we are addicted to these things, we are unknowingly doing it. First of all, is we should know that we are doing something wrong. So the necessities of life are getting hampered with the use of these digital medias. So these digital medias are now playing with our necessities. अगर मैंने अच्छा रोटी नहीं खाया, अच्छा कपड़ा नहीं पहना और अच्छे घर में नहीं रहे तो there is no point of living and there is no importance in my life. So the thing is रोटी कपड़ा मकान को हमें at most importance देनी है जैसा कि सर ने भी बताया. This is out of we need money for sustaining all these things. So that is also true. Now for now how to do, these are the reasons to do digital detox because this is hampering our regular lifestyle. So how to do a digital detox? देखिए डिजिटल डिटॉक्स को करने के लिए हमें कोई आउट ऑफ द वे जाके कुछ बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं करनी है. वी जस्ट हैव टू बी रियलिस्टिक. कोई भी चीज हमें डिसाइड करनी है आज के डेट में आफ्टर द सेशन. इवन आई हैव डिसाइडेड फ्यू थिंग्स बिफोर this session because I was preparing this session and few things I encountered even I do these things and considering myself smart of not using the screen for longer duration, I am fond of these many things. So be realistic. We have to understand and be real. We have to set limits. We have to remove distractions. So for removing distraction, one of the very important and easiest way is to off the sound notifications in your mobiles. For example, sir, as you said, one of the faculty has shared that he was getting off distracted by using Facebook app. So you just switch off all the notifications, just the way for any notifications in my WhatsApp, I never got a beep sound. Whenever I'm over with my day-to-day work, I just switch on my WhatsApp, then I get all the bulk messages and I trace them. So that is one thing that you all can do. You can off the sound notifications. Tick, tick, tick sound aane se you will get distracted and you will not be able to concentrate in your day-to-day life routine. So first you should concentrate in your area of interest, in the area in which you want to concentrate. उस पे concentration करने के लिए you have to switch off all the notifications. And as we famously and I told you about dopamine fasting, detox fasting. So this is the dopamine fasting and digital fasting. So this is trying giving up all the digital devices for a short period of time, such as a day or a week. जैसे कि आजकल youngsters में it's very fashionable to go on trekking. वो trekking पे इसलिए जाते हैं because for some days they get off from their mobile. वो खुद से अपना मोबाइल नहीं अपने से अलग कर पा रहे हैं, इसीलिए वो एक ऐसी जोन में जा रहे हैं जहाँ पे वो चाह कर भी मोबाइल नहीं कर पाएंगे. So this is something compelling. So this way also you can try a few things. So recurrent digital abstinence, pick up one day of the week and just go device free. That can be Sunday for working people, that can be Sundays, and based on your requirement, हो सकता है आपका जॉब ऐसा हो कि Sundays को भी आप फ्री नहीं हो, तो you can go for 1 hour detox or 2 hour detox, or you can go for a specific detox. जैसे कि आपने बताया सर कि आपको Facebook ऐप से डोपामाइन हार्मोन रिलीज होता है, तो you can just uninstall Facebook for few days. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, थोड़े अपडेट्स हमें रह जाएंगे. If one app, one site, or youngsters, my dear students, if you are addicted to games, agar PUBG to now I think it's banned, am I right? Yes, students, tell me, are you able to play PUBG now?
अभी बैन नहीं
Yes,
हुआ.
very sad.
No, ma'am.
Very
नहीं हुआ बैन, अभी
sad.
मैं हुए.
Achha, then it's good news for them. Okay. Okay. So if you're addicted to game, any such game, और आपको पता है कि that is hampering with your regular study hours, so what you should do is you should just uninstall it for few days, थोड़ा दिन के लिए. Or when you will get the rewards, you will never reinstall it. Believe me. Or there are many digital tools, many apps which are available on screen, as you people are aware of many, which will focus on restricting your use on this problematic items. Now, a social media detox, सबसे जरूरी, कभी कभी ये हमें बिल्कुल चाहिए होता है. We want to focus on restricting or even completely eliminate some of your social medias. कभी कभी तो you can deactivate your Facebook. अभी वो इतना easy है कि you can deactivate it for months and then आप reactivate करना चाहो तो you just have to enter your login ID and password and you can reactivate. जहाँ से छोड़ा था वहां से शुरू. So that is a thing used for a specific period of time. You should practice these things. So जैसे कि Facebook का जिसने बताया, but ये Facebook जो था वो हमारे एज तक काम आता था सर. जो आपने मुझे शेयर किया वो हमारी जो एज ग्रुप है हम लोग Facebook करते थे. Today's generation is now fond of and addicted to Instagram. Yes, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is no less than,
Yes, ma'am.
it is no any kind of addiction. More fashionable. Instagram बोलते हैं ना, Instagram वर्दी होना चाहिए. Photographs should be Instagram वर्दी. All photographs are not Instagram worthy, right? You cannot post anything on Instagram. It should be of some standards. कुछ भी हो, all kind of these apps are very, very stressful and fatal sometimes. So how to reduce the overall screen time? Screen time is again one of the factor, as I have already discussed, that screen time is not only the factor, because many people who are not spending more screen time, they may be involved psychologically with the digital media throughout the day. So that is also very dangerous. So beginners level, if you are just starting up this detoxing, please install some of the screen time recorders. These are the applications which are easily available, and you can have unlock recorders. आपको पता चलेगा आपने कितनी बार unlock किया. You have this habit of unlocking your phone now and then. You'll get to know कि कितनी बार आप कर रहे हो. तो स्क्रीन टाइम रिकॉर्डर विल गिव यू अ स्क्रीन टाइम आपने कितना स्पेंड किया ऑन योर मोबाइल फोन्स. अगर आप बिगनर्स लेवल, यस हर्ष ने शायद बिगनर्स लेवल क्लियर कर लिया है. नाउ ही इज ऑन इंटरमीडिएट लेवल. तो जो intermediate level में हैं, they can develop your hobby. Yes, Harsh, now can I get you back in the discussion?
Yes,
Harsh,
ma'am.
you can now go for 21 days challenge to set up your biological clock. You can start. For me, it is always a reading a book, and for you, it can be anything: singing, dancing, playing casio, playing guitar, anything that you love. You can go it.
Yes.
You can go for it for 21 days, and those
Actually, ma'am,
21 days. Yes,
I
Harsh.
like to do exercise daily. So while I'm sleeping, eating, and doing exercise, I don't use phone at all.
That time you don't eat.
Don't use. I never use my phone.
Very good, Harsh. So how many times you do exercise in a day?
Uh, in a day means 2 to 3 hours daily.
So 2 to 3 hours is completely without mobile, right?
Yes.
Very good, Harsh. And other than exercising, what else you like to do?
Other than exercise, I go for cycling and all.
So right, even with cycling, you can't use mobile,
Yes.
right? Are you using some
Yes.
kind of apps for getting the speed levels or the distance with cycling?
Yes, I have a smartphone in which they have inbuilt application that they
Yes.
can
So
measure
that is
my
what I want
steps,
to I
my
want to focus
kilometer,
now. अभी क्या
and I
होता
have
है,
that.
हर्ष?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Harsh, tell me. Harsh, tell me. You were telling something.
I have also the fitness band, so it is more helpful to me.
Yes, fitness band you had.
Yes.
So this way, Harsh, you can limit your screen time and gradually keep on increasing. If you are now away from your mobile for 2 to 3 hours, increase the time limits because you are now already having a very good score. You can now move towards the advanced level. And now, Harsh, you should start calculating your productivity. Just make a 21 days challenge and see yourself in that 21 days. You'll see yourself evolving every day. And after the
Yes,
end of
ma'am.
these 21 days, you'll see a different Harsh which was there in the beginning, right?
Mhm.
And
Yes,
not
ma'am.
only Harsh, even all the participants, you all should start with the beginners level and can go to the advanced level.
Yes, it's true.
Yes, so as I have already shared, you all know the various steps. The only thing is we have to inculcate good habits, and as we have discussed everything, we can delete the social media. These are things which are not new, but we need some control on ourselves. So to do these things. So these are some of the tips which I have shared in throughout my lecture. I have given you all the categories of different things that we can do other than using our digital medias. Now, first lesson of detoxing. Yes, anybody of you can tell me from where you get this first lesson of detoxing. आपको आपका फर्स्ट लेसन डिटॉक्सिंग का कहाँ से मिला था? डिटॉक्सिंग इन नाउ, अब हम डिटॉक्स पे आते हैं जो रियल डिटॉक्स होता है, दैट इज गेटिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम द टॉक्सिन्स. आपको कहाँ से आपका फर्स्ट लेसन मिला था कि आपको गंदी चीजों से, पॉइजनस चीजों से दूर रहना है? फ्रॉम वेयर यू गॉट योर?
From home.
Very good. Yes, from whom we all must have received the information
From our mom.
from mother. Yes,
From mommy.
mom, mother. Yeah, mother. Mother, I'm saying. Yes, mom, from our mom. So I'm sharing. I got my detox lesson. उस समय इतनी हाई-फाई terms नहीं use होती थी. हम detox word use करके कोई भी बड़ी चीज नहीं करते थे. ग्रेजुअल डे टू डे काम में ही वो लोग डिटॉक्सिंग करते थे. नाउ आई एम टेलिंग एंड शेयरिंग सम ऑफ द थिंग्स डन बाय माय नानी जी. नानी जी वर्ड मैंने इसलिए यूज किया, आई हैव यूज द टर्म मैटरनल ग्रैंड मदर, बट वो मुझे फील नहीं आती है उससे. आई फील द फीलिंग्स ऑफ नानी जी विद द वर्ड नानी जी ओनली. So Nani ji say I got the first lesson of detoxing, even though that were the times where nobody was aware of these big terms. But नानी जी के घर जब भी हम इतना लंबा सफर करके उत्तर प्रदेश यूपी जाते थे, तो she was very adamant and sometimes we were annoyed. She never allowed us to come inside without washing our legs. So we had to wash our entering house. We have to wash legs, hands up to elbow after using washrooms. Forget about the number of times, but you have to wash your hands up to elbows. That was the rules made by my Nani ji. No sleepers should be near kitchen area. And the very important term जिसका significance मुझे आज कोरोना से पता चला, कोरोना virus has taught me the significance of this fourth point. Nobody can touch the one who cooks. When my nani ji cooks, we were not allowed to touch her. अगर हम उनको टच करते थे तो she used to say कि अरे इसमें तो मैं झूठी हो गई, now I have to take bath. झूठी हो गई, in Gujarati it is ऐठू. You say ना ऐठू हो गया, क्या बोलते हैं आप क्या बोलते हैं?
Yes, you are right.
Okay.
You are right.
Okay. I tried to relate it with your vocabulary so that वो feel आए. तो हमारी नानी जी को टच करने से वो नानी जी झूठी हो जाती थी. तो इस चीज के लिए हमारा काफी झगड़ा होता था कि नानी जी how can I touch you and आप झूठी हो जाते हो. So she used to take bath before cooking meal for the family. These were the things which she was doing very absurdly in her days. And वो हमारे लिए कभी कभी गुस्सा का we were annoyed, we were frustrated. अरे नानी जी बार बार हाथ धोने को बोलती हैं, बार बार अंदर घर आने से पहले पैर धोने पड़ते हैं और किचन में नहीं आने देती, हमें अपने को छूने नहीं देती. इस तरह की चीजें जो हमें उस समय बहुत ही अलबेली, आज के 3 जनरेशंस पहले जो मुझे चीजें बहुत ही अलग लगती थी, आज कोरोना वायरस with the help of all scientific research is teaching us. It is now my question is coronavirus teaching us something new? All are slept. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
You're
Yes,
audible.
ma'am.
Okay. So this coronavirus is not teaching us anything new. This was known to us. हमें पता था, हमारी नानी जी ने हमें सिखाया था, हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, उनके पेरेंट्स और उनके पेरेंट्स को भी ये सब चीजें पता थी. These are nothing but the things of hygiene. So वो यही सारी चीजें प्रैक्टिस करते थे and they were doing it with in their daily lifestyles. इसलिए उनको डिटॉक्स के बारे में पढ़ने का और समझने का, रिसर्च करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. Now I would not end my lecture before telling you the boons of digital world. Marketing, advertising industries, online jobs, IT sectors, they all are dependent on this digital world. I will not say that this digital world is bad. What is bad is our habit, is the habit of our overindulgence for these systems. So before closing my session, these are some of the boons of digital world that we can't ignore. So I would like to conclude my session. Let us all practice to adopt a digital detox at least once in a lifetime and get closed for spiritual maintenance, slow down and unplug for a better startup. Importance of digital detox in COVID-19 era with the increased shoot-ups times in the use of digital medias. So now the digital detox is of more importance. Let's move from on-screen to off-screen whenever and wherever possible for an hour, a day, a week to detoxify body, mind, and soul as a whole. Thank you so much for listening to me and with your own all patience. Thank you all.
Before leaving, please provide your feedback. I already posted this feedback link on this chat box. So all are requested to fill up your feedback. And once again, on behalf of Charosset University and this Charosset Alumni Association, we heartily welcome and have a heartily thank you, Dr. Surbi. Again, she is our alumni and she is again very honest and enthused students. I remember Surbi, you and Jalak together work on this antenna, and you are always in the 235, which we call this lab. So thank
Yes, sir.
you very much again. By looking you and by listening your words, again I recall all these days with you in your Jalak. Thank you, Surbi. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And I'm also feeling very happy to be in front of you, and I can see many of the known faces in front of me. Thank you so much for inviting me and making me the part of this event. Thank you so much.
Students, please acknowledge once you fill up the feedback and then you may leave. Please acknowledge when on chat box done, and then you leave. please provide your valuable feedback because your feedback is very important for us. So by looking at your feedback, we can organize more session, or again, Surbhi also come to know that what improvement he or she require. So it is humble request to provide your feedback and type done, and then you may leave. Thank you, Surbhi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.